Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And you'll want to make some outdoor plans. We have a beautiful weekend ahead.
Also, for this eclipse, nice to know that the dogs are smarter than we are, right?
We always knew that. That was always the thing. And it's absolutely, animals do react to insects. I've been in a total solar eclipse before, and it's just not just a scientific, but an emotional experience. You hear crickets all of a sudden, the temperature just tumbles, and you get this 360-degree view of what looks like dawn. So it is quite remarkable. Now, we're going to be covering it. It'll be partial for us. I think that's exciting enough, but let's talk about cloud cover, because this is going to be a heartbreaker, I think, for some folks. I mean, you happen to be in the path of totality, that's luck, and then, you know, weather comes along and messes things up. There is going to be rain across portions of central and eastern Texas here. The further west you go, the less cloud cover, but it still looks pretty cloudy. In fact, I'll take this black line out so you'll be able to see, if you follow the eclipse there, it gets better through Arkansas, heading out towards the Ohio Valley, and the best spot for the totality up across New England. We are going to be in great shape. Just a few passing clouds coming in off the Atlantic waters. This is puffy cumulus clouds, and I think we'll be able to get a great vantage point here. Hope you join us starting at 2:45 on our stream. All right, 79 temperature right now is fantastic for this time of year. The humidity extremely low in the upper 20s to lower 30s, so that's just shaking out to be a not just a nice Friday here, but an entire weekend coming up. This is our weather right here, and if you're under this high, it is going to be nice. And also, we're on the right side of the high too, because that's bringing northwest wind, so we get the dry air coming in, and also that allows that north wind for temperatures to cool off. As soon as you get an onshore wind, that begins to moderate temperatures, but that's not going to happen this weekend. We're going to stay with another reinforcing shot of cool north winds, and that is going to just feel fantastic through Saturday and Sunday mornings, and a mix of sun and clouds, as I mentioned there, for Monday. The high migrates east, so next week we'll start increasing our winds. We'll start increasing a little bit of moisture, and I think towards the tail end of the week, our rain chances are coming back up to around 20 and 30%. But this is a nice stretch of dry weather that we have upcoming. Rip currents as a bonus for the beachgoers tomorrow. That's going to be on the low side, just 1 foot waves at most, and we're looking great for the Atlantic waters and into the Florida Keys. Had a caution earlier today. I think that will be an improvement for tomorrow. Forecast then with temperatures in the low 60s, upper 50s to low 60s. We'll manage the lower 80s. Notice that again tomorrow, very similar with full sunshine. A few more fair weather clouds. That would be about it, I'm thinking, for Sunday, but a very similar setup. So here are the numbers for tonight. A chill in the air, no question. If you wake up early enough, right, if you sleep in, you'll miss it, but upper 50s, low 60s, that'll be the range. We did that this morning. We'll do it again tonight, and I think we'll do it again on Sunday here before we begin to moderate overnight temperatures in the 70s, and then we'll be back in the 80s. Yeah, look at that, 86 by the tail end of next week.